Today I'll be showing you how to easily roast these sweet potatoes in the air fryer and make yummy cutlets out of it. I'm also going to be using oats. If you're wondering how else to make use of the oats in the pantry, stay tuned and keep watching. This is going to be a great appetizer, a great snack, or an easy breakfast bite. So let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobes. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. The very first step is to wash the sweet potatoes really well. Always remember to rinse it under some cold running water before cutting or cooking. These grow in the ground, so you don't want any of that dirt. If needed, scrub well using a brush. This will help get rid of any tough dirt stuck on the skin. I'm drying it using a paper towel. You may also use a cloth to wipe it. If you're not cooking immediately, just leave it to air dry. Now cut the ends. These are Korean sweet potatoes, rich in beta-carotene, a good source of magnesium, potassium, and fiber. Make sure to pierce and poke them using a fork on all sides. This will keep the sweet potatoes from exploding in the air fryer. Preheat the air fryer for 4 minutes. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of olive oil and rub them gently all over. For some flavor, I'm adding garlic salt. This is beautiful, and I'm going to place them into the basket. If you have more than 2, don't stack them. Leave some gap in between. I'm going to air fry for 40 minutes under 395 Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, turn each piece and continue to air fry. Low in calorie, makes a good addition to your healthy diet. It's been 40 minutes in total. Let's see. They look great. See how easily the skin comes off. The skin color is red purplish and inside it's pale yellow in color. Cutting through, I can feel how soft they are. You can test it out by using a spoon. Yummy. Perfect soft texture, easily made in air fryer. Now let's see how to make these delicious cutlets out of it. A better food choice and helps to lose weight. I'm using sprouted rolled oats. Sprouted oats helps the body to absorb nutrients easily. This packet is from Costco. Using a food processor, I'm going to grind it for just 5 to 6 seconds. That's it. These look good. I'm going to transfer it to a plate and keep it aside for later use. I'll also be using onion, green chili, and mint. Fresh mint will add flavor along with cilantro or coriander leaves. Take a wide container or a mixing bowl, add in the air-fried roasted sweet potatoes and mash them well. You can see how good they turned out. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan rock salt, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm using my hand to mix everything well so that all the powdered ingredients are mixed in. To this, add 2 green chili cut, 2 medium-sized onion diced. half cup chopped mint leaves, half cup coriander leaves. Now I'm adding 1 cup ground oats, the oats that we had kept it separately after grinding it in the food processor. Mix together well until you can feel that it's binding. There, this looks good. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil. This will help the snack from getting dry. Now shape it into a cutlet shape or give it your own fun shape as you involve children. This can also be a great lunchbox snack for kids. I'm so excited. Let's air fry. Brush the basket with little oil. This is optional. Place each cutlet one by one into the basket. Don't overcrowd it. Leave some space in between each piece. And lightly brush each piece with oil and air fry for 8 minutes under 390 Fahrenheit. Open the basket and turn each piece. Brush again lightly with oil and air fry for another 8 minutes under 390 Fahrenheit. I use Gourmet air fryer and the setting that I'm using works perfectly fine with me. Each air fryer is different, so keep that in mind. Let's check out these beauties. I'm so excited. These sweet potato cutlets turned out amazing. I'm going to enjoy these with hot and sweet sauce. You may have it with any sauce of your choice. Try this unique, fun, healthy snack for a change. Yum. It's so yummy, it turned out delicious. I love the hint of mint in this recipe. Do give it a try, you will love it. Make it ahead, store it in the fridge or pack it for lunch. If you like this recipe, share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.